Once upon a time, in a land of mountains and magic, there was a place where crystals told stories and light danced like never before. Welcome to Swarovski Crystal World, a world where imagination comes to life.
Excuse me, aren't I supposed to be the narrator here? Are you trying to take my job?
Oh, come on! Can't I tell this one? It's a fairy tale after all.
Well, I'll let you handle it this time, but don't mess it up.
It all begins with a giant who watches over this magical land, hiding treasures within his heart. As you step inside, you're greeted by wonders beyond imagination.
Don't forget to mention how photogenic he is. Look at that mossy beard.
Inside the giant's heart lie the chambers of wonder, each a unique world of light, color, and art. Many of these breathtaking installations are created by famous artists, including the legendary Salvador Dali. One moment, you're walking through a kaleidoscope of crystals, and the next, you're lost in a shimmering galaxy. One of the most magical surprises was a hidden chamber with a real Christmas tree surrounded by softly falling snow. Indoors. It felt like stepping into a snow globe, even though it wasn't snowing outside. A true winter fairy tale.
Indoor snow? Now that's what I call commitment to magic.
But the magic doesn't stop with crystals alone. Swarovski Crystal World is also home to stunning costumes worn by icons like Marilyn Monroe and Beyoncé, sparkling with countless crystals and showcasing intricate craftsmanship. It's a celebration of fashion and art at its finest. And for a touch of history, there are personal artifacts and some of the very first creations by Mr. Swarovski himself, offering a glimpse into the legacy of this dazzling world.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third, then the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door.
Step outside and you're greeted by a magical garden. The iconic crystal cloud hangs above with over 800,000 hand-mounted crystals. The reflections dance on the water below, creating a symphony of light and shadow.
Are you narrating or auditioning for a Shakespeare play?
And just when I thought the magic couldn't get any better, I stumbled upon a carousel straight out of a dream. Designed by a Spanish artist, this black and white marvel is adorned with 15 million Swarovski crystals. It feels like a ride through a fairy tale, blending nostalgia and sparkle into pure enchantment.
Now that's a real spin on magic.
And no visit is complete without a stop at the Swarovski Shop. It's a treasure trove of dazzling creation.
Did you buy me anything? I do love a good accessory, you know.
You don't have hands. What would you even do with jewelry?
Details. I'd still look fabulous.
And that's how I discovered the magic of Swarovski Crystal World, a place where every crystal tells a story and every moment feels like a fairy tale.
So, how did I do?
Not bad. I'd give you, let's say 7 out of 10. Needs more sparkle though.
What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Give me a like and follow for more. Bye!